Well, we're back in the garage where the Land Cruiser got restored last winter and went back to Terry's house, where the owner. And the reason we're back is because Terry sent me a video that she filmed and I thought it would be nice to show you. So here you go.
Hello, my name is Terry. I am the gentleman that bought this car, my husband. He bought it about 12 years ago. Mike has been kind enough to do the electric, got new tires, new rubber around the windows, all kinds of stuff. Let's see, upholstered the seats, jump seats are in the back, has a new headliner. I'm pretty happy with the work that he has done. So I'm going to just give you a little shot around the vehicle, just for those of you that may not have seen the other video. So, paint job, it's got some rust, not a whole lot of rust. It's less than I would have expected. Anyway, he's had it for a few months now and doing the work for it, on it. And got some racing new tires. All the lights, everything works. So I'm pretty happy, and I think he's pretty happy with the job he did. So, I'm going to take a ride down the street, and you guys can see this thing in the driving mode.